Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Love My Life. This is my day 3 in Goa and I'm so excited about my day 3 because today I'm going to experience some water sports in Goa. I'm so excited about it because I have never done any water sport as of now. So I'm just going to experience 4 to 5 different water sports. Let's see how it goes. सो अभी हम जा रहे हैं डोनापोला जो कि हमारी स्पोर्ट्स लोकेशन है एंड थैंकफुली वी हैव डन ऑल द बुकिंग्स इन एडवांस. सो हमें आज बस एंजॉय करना है. So in case you're curious to know any of the details of these sports activities, you can check out my description. I'll just try to put all the details into that so that it will be helpful for you guys as well. So finally we have reached Donapola and the adventure begins.
Day 3 in Goa. Came here for some water adventures. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to experience this water adventure for the very first time. Best of luck to me.
So this is the location where we're going to do all our water activities. This is the beach side and as you can see in this video, people are already started doing the water sports. So काफ़ी लंबा इंतज़ार करने के बाद हमने अपने वाटर स्पोर्ट्स की स्टार्टिंग करी जेट स्कीइंग से. So let's see how it goes. I'm so excited. Super amazing experience. It was thrilling. Although it was for a very short time, but जब आप इतनी दूर जाते हो इतना fast drive करके, it will give you a thrilling experience and I have enjoyed my jet skiing a lot. So after doing the jet skiing, we have gone for a couple of more rides like banana rides and there is one more ride that is tube kind of ride. So after doing all these rides, we went for parasailing and I'm so excited about parasailing because I'm going to experience something like that for the very first time and मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से पैरासेलिंग और पैराग्लाइडिंग जैसा कुछ करने का मन था. Somehow I missed the paragliding experience in my past trips as well, so I don't want to miss that parasailing experience in Goa. So basically पैरासेलिंग के लिए आपको एक सर्टेन पॉइंट पे जाना होता है बिकॉज ये बीच साइड से नहीं हो सकती. तो यू हैव टू गो टू अ सर्टेन पॉइंट जहाँ से आपको पैरासेलिंग का एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू दैट पॉइंट जो भी इन्होंने असाइन करा है एंड देन वी गोइंग टू शिफ्ट आवर बोट टू पैरासेलिंग बोट एंड फिर हम एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे पैरासेलिंग का. सो आई कैन से इट वॉज क्वाइट रिलैक्सिंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. जब आप फ्लाई कर रहे थे तो इतना अच्छा लग रहा था, इतनी अच्छी फीलिंग थी. ऑल्दो इट्स स्कैरी, देखने में स्कैरी लग सकता है बट जब आप ऊपर होते हो तो डर वर कुछ नहीं लगता उस टाइम. यू जस्ट फील लाइक फ्री, यू जस्ट फील लाइक हैप्पी एंड मुझे तो यही सारी फीलिंग्स आ रही थी. ऑल्दो द बोट experts have asked me कि if you want to go for extra dip, I said no, just take me for the normal dip because of course it was my first experience and मैं चाहती थी कि मैं इसे अच्छे से enjoy करूँ, मैं इससे डरूँ ना because in future भी मुझे अच्छी पैरासेलिंग करनी है and I really like this experience. जैसे ही वो आपको इतनी ऊंचाई से फिर समंदर में डिप कराते हैं, it was quite crazy. So I just love this parasailing. So far this one is my favorite.
So guys, finally done with some water activities, adventurous activities. I have experienced this for the very first time in life and it was amazing. I can't explain you in words. It feels magical and you cannot explain the feeling because at the same time there are a mix of feeling. You're scared, you're nervous, you're excited. It's something different. So I'm just loving it and we are waiting for our scuba boat because I'm heading to scuba diving now. So we have done the jet skiing and banana ride, parasailing. So I can say that most scary one is one which I was looking at and thinking that maybe this could be an easy one, but actually banana ride is the toughest one because banana ride ke time I was hoping ki okay I have underestimated the banana ride, so that is why they have teach me a lesson. So banana ride was quite scary for me, and parasailing was a good experience. And I wanted to do something like that since long, like parasailing or paragliding. So yes, enjoying a lot in Goa, and let's see how scuba diving feels like. So I'm just waiting for my boat, and let's the boat come, and we'll go for the scuba.
So after enjoying the parasailing, we are just moving ahead to experience the scuba diving. So I'm super excited for my first scuba diving. So we are just going to another island to do the scuba activity, and meanwhile I'm just enjoying the boating experience too, because we are going so far, and this is for the very first time I'm having the boating experience in the sea. So it's quite magical for me, it's quite different for me, क्योंकि गंगा जी में बोटिंग तो मैंने कई बार की है, बट समंदर में बोटिंग ये पहली बार करी थी गोवा जाकर. So I'm really enjoying this moment, because as you can see the weather is too cool outside, and boat riders भी गाने वाने बजा रहे थे. So it was so much fun, and everybody is thrilled and everybody is excited, because we're going to experience something really different. So let's see how my scuba goes. So हमारी स्कूबा डाइविंग के लोकेशन पे पहुंचने के बाद वी हैव बीन इंस्ट्रक्टेड टू सिट डाउन ऑन द बोट इटसेल्फ, बिकॉज वो बोट से ही टर्न बाय टर्न लोगों को ट्रेनिंग दे रहे थे, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे आर गोइंग फॉर द स्कूबा डाइविंग. So basically they are not offering us some kind of costume or something, and it's not like कि आपको आधी एक घंटे की ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़ेगी. They will taught you for about 5 to 10 minutes like how to breathe inside the water, and the sign languages of course which you're gonna use inside the water, क्योंकि ये आपका first time होगा. So they are teaching us very basic of scuba diving, and after that they are taking us for the dive. So मेरे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ था. So I got ready for my dive, and I have taken like 5 to 6 minutes training from my instructor, and then I have gone for the dive. So let me show you the most interesting part of this vlog, my scuba dive experience. So the moment when I have entered into the water, I can see this beautiful scene, all these beautiful fishes all around me. I'm just trying to touch them, but I'm not able to feel them. It was so crystal clear, and I have never seen such kind of fishes in my lifetime. वो भी इन fishes को इतना पास से देखना, feel करना, but at the same time जैसा movies में लगता है that it could be a easy one, it's actually a very difficult one, because if you're not following the instructions properly, it will be hard for you to be inside the water, because it's really hard to breathe inside the water. मेरे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ था, because I was the last one to go for the scuba diving. Maybe I have missed some instructions, so मुझे breathing करने में मुझे थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ रही थी. So I have shown him the up sign so that I can just go up and take a moment to relax and restart it again, because you cannot take risk. Although I was feeling awesome, ये सीन मैंने कभी देखा नहीं था, and सब कुछ इतना खूबसूरत था नीचे, but it's just that I was not able to breathe properly, so I have to show the up sign, and तो मैं ऊपर गई, and I told him that I was not able to breathe, and he told me that आपकी shooting चल रही थी, and हम आपका वीडियो बना रहे थे, सब कुछ इतना अच्छा जा रहा था. What went wrong? He told me the instructions again, that you can breathe like this, and if you want we can go again. तो मैंने बोला ओके फाइन, सो लेट मी टेक अ मोमेंट. सो मैंने फिर से ब्रीथिंग की प्रैक्टिस करी, एंड आई फेल्ट कि येस मे बी आई कैन डू इट, बिकॉज आई डेस्परेटली वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस दिस. आई डोंट वांट टू गो लाइक दैट कि मैं 2 मिनट में करके चली जाऊँ. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू फील इट, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत डेस्परेटली इस मोमेंट का इंतज़ार किया था. सो आई वेंट अगैन. So unfortunately they have not shot this time, because उनका timing ख़त्म हो चुका था shooting का. And the instructor took me again inside the water, and we went for about like 10 minutes, and that is quite enough for me क्योंकि दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस एंड 10 मिनट काफ़ी ज़्यादा होते हैं उस हिसाब से, तो आई जस्ट गॉन अगैन एंड आई सीन एवरीथिंग एंड आई फेल्ट एवरीथिंग. इट वॉज सो अमेजिंग, can't tell you. Just I can say that you must try once in a life, क्योंकि ये एक्सपीरियंस आपको सुन के या पढ़ के महसूस नहीं हो सकता, ये सिर्फ करके महसूस हो सकता है. Whenever you are going to any sort of water destination like Goa, Maldives or Andaman, anywhere like that, you must go for scuba because it is a life-changing experience. So when I was returning, I was just thinking कि thank God that I have completed my scuba diving. क्योंकि अगर मैं ये कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाती तो मुझे बहुत ही रिग्रेट होता, बिकॉज आई वॉज सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर स्कूबा डाइविंग. जब से मेरा गोवा का प्लान बना था तब से मैंने सोचा था दैट येस आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग फॉर स्कूबा डाइविंग, बिकॉज मुझे ये एक्सपीरियंस करना ही करना है. बट लिटरली आई हैव नॉट थॉट कि ये थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट हो सकता है, बट एनी वेज आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट आई हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस. So now finally we have done with all the water sports and now we are returning to Donapola again, and the view here is amazing क्योंकि ये शाम का सनसेट का टाइम था and we were going too fast and the waves are very high at this time and the scene is looking absolutely mesmerizing. The water droplets are continuously coming onto our faces and they're also playing the songs in the boat and just enjoying the weather, enjoying the waves, enjoying the ride, enjoying the life-changing experience. So I can't even explain you that how special this day is for me because बहुत कुछ आज एक्सपीरियंस किया जिसके बारे में सिर्फ सोचा करती थी, फाइनली वो करने को मिला. So yeah, one of the best day of my life in Goa. So guys, if you like this video, you can consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any video of mine. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, links are in the description because I keep on sharing all my updates on Instagram. So do not forget to follow me out there. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.